those white footprints on a map of night. Keys in a bowl, names on the glass. Time moves slow and lets it pass. Streetlight hum, a distant train. Your shadow folds into the rain. We talk in sparks that never land. A fading pulse inside my hand. Say it softly, don't deny. Every echo learns to lie. Breathe in once and count to three. Let the quiet carry me. Say it slowly, leave it bare. All our rooms still hold your air. Every door we didn't close sways and tells the story low. Love behind us, roads before. Dust on records used by the door. Hold, let go, repeat, rewind. We lose the warmth, we keep the time. Love behind us, wide and true. Frozen fields where we came through. Call my name, I'll barely rise. We walk apart under open skies. Behind us, love behind us, breathing. Love behind us, drifting. Love behind us. Detune light on the kitchen tile. Your letter folded thin as style. Piano goes in the next room, playing notes fall through the floor away.
Static snow on the radio line. We measure loss and borrow time. If there's a map for letting go, it's drawn in frost on winter's window.
Say you're leaving, not unkind. Leave the picture, take the frame. I'll keep breathing, keep the line. Let the pad wash out your name. Say you're staying just tonight. We can watch the dark turn white. But when the first train cuts the dawn, promise me we'll both be gone. Love behind us, roads before. Dust on records used by the door. Hold, let go, repeat, rewind. We lose the warmth, we keep the time. Love behind us, wide and true. Frozen fields where we came through. Call my name, I'll barely rise. We walk apart under open sky. If every beat could warm the air.
We turn the night and meet halfway.
If every tear could mark a stair.
We climb the hush and drift away.